Hello, busy you! Do you find it hard to identify which tasks that you can delegate in your business or in your life? In this video, I'll give you the 5 things to consider when you identify the tasks that you might be able to delegate in your business or that you want to delegate in your business. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Linnea. I'm a time management expert, a certified coach and a project management professional. And for the last 10 years, I've been helping teams and individuals to improve their ways of working to become more productive. I coach high-achieving women on how to get more time in their lives. And I do this in English, in Italian and in Swedish. And I have a group coaching program in English. So if you're interested in that, go to my website. You'll find the link below. So back to the 5 things that you need to consider when you want to identify things in your business that you can delegate and that you can easily delegate maybe. So the first thing is, do you enjoy doing that specific task? And to me, this is super important because I'm kind of a passion-driven person. I really have a lot of things in my business that I enjoy doing. And when I first started to delegate things, I definitely didn't want to consider those things that I enjoy doing, whilst the parts like the admin tasks that I don't really enjoy doing at all, those were the first things that I delegated. And then the second point, is it critical that you do the task yourself? So if we think about big companies that streamline their businesses, they focus on the core. They focus on where they do a difference to the world, where they can add most value. So think about your business and what is the central part to your business and where to your service that you're providing. And this is probably a part that you should not delegate, but what is around it? What are all the other stuff that you're doing? Like if we take the example of, in my business of recording a YouTube video, it's something that I definitely enjoy and it's something that is central to my business. I would definitely not delegate this because I want my face to be visible on the YouTube video. So I would not delegate this because it's central to my business. And then the third thing, repetitive tasks. What repetitive tasks do you have in your business that are happening maybe once a week or once a month, like invoicing or admin tasks in general? Things that are, if they are repetitive, it will be, you will put less effort into training somebody to do them because it will be, you train it once, the person once, and then you will get the person to do it every week or maybe every day even. Maybe you have some of those tasks that are needed every day. Then the fourth point is to consider what time is needed to teach a person to do this. And this is also related to how skilled this person is in performing the task, or if there are persons on the market who are already skilled in doing the task that might lead to less time for you. On the other hand, if it's something that is very specific to your business and it's kind of complicated to teach it, it will take so much more time for you to teach this person to do the task. The fifth point is, what would it cost to delegate this task? If it's a complex task where you will need a highly qualified person to perform it, it will probably cost more. So it might not be the first thing that you want to delegate in your business. The first things are usually admin tasks that are repetitive and that will not cost too much for you to delegate, and also maybe those things that you find boring in your business. At least that's what those were the tasks that I first started to delegate in my business. I hope you found this useful. Please leave a comment below. I would love to hear which is the first task that you will delegate in your business. And if you're looking to really increase your productivity, ensure that you grab my free download below. You'll find the link. And I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.